था पहले से, फिर मैंने क्रोम से किया तो सही हो गया।
हाँ, recording start. So we will discuss all these questions again one by one. Those who want to answer, either raise hand or you state your name. Okay. First question to Akhil. Name the property which allows matters to be hammered into thin sheets. Only Akhil will give answer.
Sir, malleability.
Malleability. Okay. Now Ninansa,
Yes,
which
sir.
enables matters to be drawn into wires.
Ductility.
Ductility. Very good. Okay. Now next is Sahil.
Yes, sir.
Sahil, name two matters which are soft and can be easily cut with a knife.
सर वो क्या नाम था उसका?
सर मैं आए
सर मैं बताऊं सर प्रखर
Yes, Prakhar.
सर
Mayank.
सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम
Sodium and potassium. Okay. Now next question to Mayank. Name a metal which is liquid at room temperature. Mayank.
सर मैं बताऊं सर
सर सत्यम
सर
अंकुश
प्लीज
सर सत्यम
सर मैं
Mayank.
सर मैं बताऊं
Okay.
उसको नहीं पता
Satyam.
मर्करी
Okay. Now next question to Aniket.
Yes, sir.
How do metal oxides differ from non-metal oxides?
Sir, metal oxides are basic in nature and non-metal oxides are acidic in nature.
Okay, Ninansa, can you give me an example? Metal oxides are basic in nature, non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Give me example. Karuna, are you there? Yes, Rishika.
Sir, when magnesium ribbon burns, then it reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. When we test that result with litmus paper, it will turn red litmus to blue. So it is basic. No, sir.
Basic. Magnesium plus oxygen, magnesium oxide plus water, magnesium hydroxide. It is basic. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So how
Yes, sir.
how it will react with litmus paper? Sarvagya. Magnesium hydroxide.
Sir,
yes, Prakhar.
sir, it turns red litmus paper to blue.
Because
Sorry,
it
sir,
is-
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, it is correct. Because it is basic, so it will convert red litmus to blue. And metallic oxide, non-metallic oxide, very simple. Sulfur plus oxygen, sulfur dioxide plus water, acid, and acid turns blue litmus to red. Last year, what we discussed? ABC. Acid turns blue litmus to red, and BRB. Bases turn red litmus to blue.
सर मैंने तो
Is it clear to all?
से याद किया है।
सर सागर मिस्त्री सर ने कहा था अकबर बीरबल से याद करने का।
याद करना।
अकबर बीरबल याद कर लो, शाहजहां से याद कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। देवेश सर के हिसाब से याद कर लो। वॉट एवर यू वांट वैसे याद कर लो। अपना पर्पस क्या है कि याद करना अपने को सही तरीके से, है ना? ओके। Next question is to Palak. Unmute your mic. An element forms an oxide which is acidic in nature. An element forms an oxide which is acidic in nature. Is the element a metal or non-metal?
Sir, metal. Metal.
Correct?
No,
Rishika,
sir.
No, sir.
it is
No, sir. So may I?
non-metal.
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 Because the non-metal react with acids.
It is non-metal. कैसे? वो क्या पूछ रहा है? सुनो. Element forms an oxide which is acidic in nature. Sulfur plus oxygen, sulfur dioxide, sulfuric acid. So it is non-metal.
Sir, non-metallic
Okay.
oxides are acidic in nature.
Yes. और metallic oxides are basic in nature. ये आपको मैंने differences लिखाए थे ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So did you saw my PDF send you?
You sent me PDF, na? Yes, very good. I received it. Many of you already sent, and I am still waiting for all.
Sir, my notes one PDF.
You slowly you share your notes, whatever you made. Now next question is to Akhil. Akhil will give us answer. So Akhil,
Yes, sir.
iron metal reacts slowly with oxygen and moisture of damp air to form rust. Got it? Iron metal reacts slowly with the oxygen and moisture of damp air to form rust. State whether the rust formed is acidic, basic, or neutral.
Sir, may I?
Sir, I think it's a basic.
Sir, I think it's neutral.
So basic.
Sir, it
Yes,
is
sir.
basic.
So
It's
basic.
neutral.
It is
Sir,
Sir,
basic.
neutral.
Neutral,
Sir,
sir.
neutral.
Basic. So rust is also basic in nature. Okay. Now next question. It is next question is Aruna, are you there?
Yes, sir.
ये सभी लोग सोते हुए लोग गायब हो गए हैं. जिससे पूछूं वही अपना वो ऑन करेगा. ओके सर्वर, आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir.
यति हाँ सर्वर आगे लौट के. सर्वर, which metal is less reactive, iron or zinc?
Sir, iron.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Iron is less reactive.
Sir,
How many
zinc.
of you are agree with?
Sir, zinc is more
Other
reactive.
answer. I'm asking less. More reactive. Yes. Zinc ऊपर आता है than iron. Zinc is more reactive than iron. Okay, next question is to Ninansa.
Yes, sir.
Ninansa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Name the metal which is used to make thin foils for packaging medicines, chocolates, and food items.
Aluminium.
Aluminium. What is the symbol of aluminium?
AI.
Oh, no, it is AL. A capital A. AI is artificial intelligence. AI is
सर आप
AL. Aluminium.
सर आपने
Okay.
जो टेस्ट में फेनप्थलीन वाला एक क्वेश्चन दिया था वो सर मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
Okay, we'll discuss it. You don't worry about it. Okay. Now question is to Payal. Are you there? जिससे क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ वही गायब हो जाता है मीटिंग में से. कृतिका, Chahit, unmute your mic. Name one non-metal which is used for making fertilizers.
Sir, may I? Prakhar.
Yes, Prakhar.
Sir, nitrogen.
Yes. Beta Ankush, don't write answer. Otherwise, the person to whom I am asking answer, he will not be in a position. He will see the answer and then will read. है ना? तो Ankush, okay, beta. Don't write in the chat.
Yes,
Don't write in chat box. If nobody knows, then you can write or you can speak by unmuting your mic. Okay, now I'm asking one question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this question for you. State two physical properties on the basis of which metals can be distinguished from non-metals.
Some metal are ductile
Okay,
and metal are good conductor of heat and electricity, and they are malleable.
wow, okay. Yes, okay. And what about non-metals?
So non-metals are not good conductor of electricity and heat,
Heat
and
and one
they are
more.
not malleable and ductile.
Okay, very good. Mute your mic. Palak,
Sir, excuse me, sir.
mute your mic again.
Silence, sir.
Palak is for you. Why copper metal is used for making electric wires?
Sir, because it is good conductor of heat and electricity.
And which metal is the best conductor of heat and which metal is best conductor of electricity?
Sir, bad.
Best.
Sir, मैं बताऊं sir please.
सर
May I?
Sir, may I? Sir, may I?
Sir, may I? Sir, may I?
Satyam,
Prakhar.
Thank you.
Satyam,
Sir, silver.
silver. Okay. Question to Satyam only. So why silver we don't use in our house to make our circuit or to allow electricity to pass from one place to other place?
Sir, because silver is too costly.
Too costly. Okay. One more question. Why graphite is used for making electrodes in a cell? Niyati. Why graphite is used for making electrodes in the cell? Have you seen electrodes?
Yes, sir.
जो सेल में लगे रहते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, प्रखर, can you give answer?
Sir, can you repeat the question, please?
Why graphite is used for making electrodes in a cell? Because graphite is good conductor of electricity. Simple. Because graphite is good conductor of electricity.
Sir, can we use
Okay.
copper in place of graphite?
In the cell,
Yes, sir.
practically it is not possible,
Sir, why?
because copper is allow much faster electricity than graphite. It is suitable is graphite. We will discuss more about the electrodes and why graphite in the chapter chemical effect of electric current. Okay. Sahil, question for you. M.A. Sahil. Ankush.
Left.
Sarman,
Yes, sir.
what happens when a copper vessel is exposed to moist air for a long time?
Sir, green-like patches appear on it.
A green dull coating. So it is Niyati. This color change of copper vessel when it exposed to moist air for longer time, its color change little bit green coating. It is because formation of which material?
Sir, may I?
Sir, may I? Sir, may
Sir,
I?
iron.
Prakhar.
Sir, Aniket. Sir,
Sir, may
Aniket.
I? Sir, Prakhar.
Rishika.
Yes, Niyati. Okay, Prakhar.
Sir, copper hydroxide and copper carbonate.
Very good. Rishika, what is the formula of copper hydroxide?
Sir, COOH2.
Cu. Aniket, what is the formula of copper hydroxide?
Sir, CuOH twice.
Very good. Cu is copper, and what is CO? CO is the formula of cobalt. The formation of copper hydroxide and copper carbonate. What is the formula of copper carbonate? Ankush.
Sir, may I?
Sir, may I? Sir, may I? Shahid.
Sir, may I?
CC.
Sir, may I?
Sir,
Sir, may I? CuCO3.
CuCO3 is copper carbonate. तो जैसे पहले याद नहीं हो रहे थे, अब थोड़ा थोड़ा याद हो गया ना, तो gradually all these formulas, chemical symbols will be in your mind forever, so you don't worry about it. Okay, beta? Now, which? Okay, what is the test to check the presence of hydrogen gas? How can we check कि the released gas from the reaction is hydrogen? What is the, do you know about the form? Yes, Prakhar.
Sir, may I?
Sir, in
Yes,
a test tube, sir. So when we take iron matchstick near it, sir, it produce pop sounds, sir. So that indicate the presence of hydrogen gas.
Achha, what is the symbol of hydrogen gas?
Sir, H2.
Niyati?
Sir, मैं बताऊं sir? Sir,
H2.
मैं बताऊं?
Yes. H2 is the symbol of hydrogen gas. H2. Only H is the hydrogen atom and H2 is hydrogen gas molecule. Is it clear? So, you all try to attempt so many other questions of this chapter, metals and non-metals. And if you have any doubt, you can send me your doubt to my personal WhatsApp number and I will send you the answer. Do one more thing. those who are not attending the class, or suppose today Palak having that problem of opening the Google form. So please help each other to understand it in a much better way. Those having problem in opening the mail and all these things, you can help them. So in this way, those who are not in a position to open or join the classes, so they will get benefited. So help each other to and motivate each other. Some students are, they are not taking, not a single class they attended. You know, all of you know about the names. I am not interested in names, but those who are in contact, you can ask them to attend the class, because what is the importance of online classes, because only this is the way by which we can learn. Is it clear? And in coming week, we'll start our next chapter, that is coal and petroleum. All of you know about that. Coal means koila, and petroleum products. All of you know what is the importance of solar energy, renewable sources of energy. We will cover these topics: exhaustible natural resources and inexhaustible natural resources. So today's class is over. Join your hands for Shanti Path. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sai Ram, children.
Sai Ram, sir.
Sai Ram,
Sai Ram.
sir.